Oh, hi there. Travis here from Northwoods Overland, coming to you with another install video featuring my 2019 4runner Lefty. In today's video, we'll be covering the installation of a Gobi Stealth Rack, the rear ladder, and some upgraded gas springs for the rear lift gate to handle the extra weight of the ladder. As always, if these videos are helpful or that they serve some inspiration for you, please don't hesitate to give me a like or subscribe. And if you have any questions, please add those as comments to the video as well, and I'll do my best to answer them for you and hopefully help you learn from my experiences with this installation. So without further ado, let's jump right in and start with unboxing and making sure that we actually have all of the gear that we need to successfully install this. Cool thing is, Gobi gives it to us all in one nice big box, as well as a couple of separate boxes that come with each of the components, like the wind deflector as well as the rear ladder. So the first thing we should do, we should reference the installation instructions and the actual parts that are included inside the kit. Make sure that we have everything. So first off, we got bag number 3. Item E, awesome, that's great to see that we have. Bag number 4 here is the stuff for the support brackets. And we have a couple of the actual adjustable brackets here. Let's see here. So it looks like we have the front passenger side and the driver's side brackets that actually hold up the rack, as well as all of the 4 middle and rear support brackets. So that's great. Looks like we actually have everything. Now, let's get on outside and actually start removing the old bracket and cleaning up the roof before we actually install, because this is going to be one of the last times that we can actually get access to the roof without having to take the whole rack off. So, give me 2 seconds, we'll jump on outside and we'll actually keep jumping into it. tightening down the nuts on the top, we're able to go down here and finish up the bottom assembly and wrap things up.